Everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Paul Nguma, founder of PATTERNOLOGY LAB. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with all of you the top 3 stocks that y'all should be keeping in your watch list for today. And I'm also going to be answering some of you guys' questions for those of y'all who keep putting your stocks of interest in the comment section of last night's video right after the intro. All right, y'all, right off the bat, the market is looking phenomenal. We're currently up by a solid 1%. All right. It tried to scare all of the longs yesterday with that little pullback when it reached 38.75. Right. This drop came out, and I told y'all that as long as we stay above 3800, we're in a good position. All right. Short sellers right now are not looking too happy at the moment. It's consolidating sideways. So again, keep this one on your, for those of you who trade a SPY, keep this one on your watch list for a potential continuation to the upside. I'm not bearish on this thing. It's looking pretty good. I think the momentum will continue to go higher, all right? So that's my very honest opinion of the overall market. Now let's cover the top 3 stocks. The first one that I'm going to be sharing with y'all, that stock is AMC slash GameStop, right? Because these two stocks move together. And as y'all can see right now, AMC is actually looking pretty good. It went high just like GameStop yesterday for all of you who were trading that one after yesterday's pre-market analysis video. Again, I think this thing is going to continue to the upside. If we change this thing to the daily, it's curling up right now. It's curling up. It had a previous run. Short sellers are right over here. They're right at around $10.70. If we can take them out, then you can expect AMC to run all the way up to like 15 bucks within the next few days. I will be shocked. Honestly, I will be very shocked if this happened in one day. Very, very shocked. But I think it's going to take some days to actually get up to like $13, maybe even $14. Hopefully that happens before earnings, because again, this stock has earnings tomorrow in the afternoon. So if you can get there, if you can get that print story run, then that will be great. That way you can reduce your risk and reduce your size, because the reaction through earnings is very, very unpredictable. And I do not like holding anything through earnings, all right? So I just want to I just want to put that on your radar. For those of you who are already trading this, I'm not bearish on this thing. I think these people are next. So keep that one on your watch list for today as the first stock. Now, the second stock that all of y'all should be keeping on your watch list for today is a stock that has been demolished for a while. That stock is BABA. And BABA right now is not looking too good. Not looking too good. Actually, no, scratch that. It's looking great. It's looking great. All right. It's been collapsing all the way down towards 20 to 226. I wanted it to drop just a little bit more, but honestly, this is the price where you're supposed to scoop it up at a phenomenal discount. BABA is not a trashy company. BABA is a very reputable company. It's about to open up at like 230-ish. Okay. So keep this one on your watch list for a potential rebound. I like this thing to the long side. There is a lot of opportunity all the way up here. All right, all the way up here. So again, I think if the market is continuing to be green and money starts and continues to flood into the market, BABA will squeeze all the way up to 241. All right, so keep that one in your watch list for today. It's looking pretty good for a move up to 240 at least, maybe 241. All right. And I think the entire week actually might be very, very bullish, especially for the stock that have been demolished for so long and very, very slow to recover. So keep BABA on your watch list for today for a move up. The next one, and the last one for this video that we're going to be addressing right now, that stock is RIOT. And RIOT was part of the top 3 stocks for yesterday. RIOT did not do as well. I explained that phenomenon to y'all yesterday along with Ethereum, right? Ethereum moved up at around like in the afternoon at 5 or 6 p.m. So that explained the late motion of Riot. So for those of y'all who bought it and held strong, because obviously the stock has been demolished for so long, you should be in a very good position right now. This one is still a holds for me. I'm not bearish on Riot. I'm not bearish on the market. I think that we can go all the way up to around $48. Could that happen today? Maybe. Could it happen tomorrow? Possibly. All right. But keep this one on your watch list. The potential dip buys were like right over here, and again, there was another one in the afternoon over here. So keep that one on your watch list for today for sure. All right, there isn't any like new specific to the stock, but then again, this one follows the crypto market. The crypto market has been moving. Now this one is catching up right now. It's looking very, very good in my eyes. That's why I wanted to share that one with y'all in this video. Now let's talk about you guys' stocks of interest. The very first one that we're going to be addressing in this video, that stock is Novavax. And Novavax did not perform like I wanted to perform yesterday, at least. Again, with the market pulling back, when the market pullbacks, everything drops. Like almost everything drops. Some stock actually hold their gains, like MMM and WM Waste Management. Those stocks are on steroids. These ones not so much. They're kind of weak and they kind of pulled down by the market, or pulled up by the market, right? So this one I think it's ready to decline along with the market. I'm not bearish. I wouldn't short this thing, not yet. Shorting right here, very, very risky. Shorting from way up here is perfectly fine. Shorting, perfectly fine. But when you get down here, like if you're still shorting this, be careful. Control the greed, like manage the greed, and don't get squeezed out of your position, and take some money off the table. All right, take some money off the table because there might be a bounce, and that bounce might be ferocious, and your put options might lose value very, very quickly. So just keep that in mind. If you are still shorting Novavax, I would not do that. The next one that we're going to be discussing in this video, that stock is NNDM. And a lot of y'all have been asking about this stock, and I previously featured it, and this thing collapsed all the way down. It didn't do that path that I wanted on the weekly. It's just the sell-off caused so much fear in the market, and it just broke down over here and got all the way down to like $7. Right now, it's not looking too bad for a rebound. Again, if you're shorting this, I would not recommend it. Also, there is earnings coming up on the 11th. Manage your risk through earnings. Again, the stock could go nowhere. It's not valued a lot. It's not over $30. It's not over $40 to expect like a $4 or $5 drop through or rise through earnings, right? So this thing right here is still low. That reaction through earnings might not be as wild as some people may think, and I think it might go nowhere. All right, it might just open up just like 30 cents higher or 30 cents lower, and it might continue to recover along with the overall market. I'm not bearish on this, not at these levels. I am not bearish on that one. The stock that I am watching with a very, very bearish lens, that stock is VIAC, and VIAC is not moving. It didn't move as much as I wanted it to move. Be careful if you want to short this thing. Again, I'm more picky. I'm a lot more picky. I want the stock to be exactly where I want it to be, and I want it to get there exactly when I want it to get there in order for me to actually short it back down. But right now, again, I would just say apply caution. Be very, very patient with the stock, and don't force anything. Really don't force anything. I'm waiting for that euphoria phase. All right, I am still waiting for that one. If it drops today, I will have to like reevaluate it, but I really want to see that run. I want to see that run just so that I can show it at the top. And that is my very honest opinion for this stock. And that is the end of the video. Again, Do not forget to destroy the like button for the YouTube algorithm. As always, it helps the channel a lot and allows more people to get this knowledge as well. Also, if you are new to the channel, definitely click on subscribe and click on the notification bell along with all notifications. That way, you don't miss out on these pre-market analysis videos, which are released from Monday to Friday at exactly 8:15 a.m. Central Time, 15 minutes before the market opens, and the post-market analysis videos, which are released every single day in the afternoon. If you're not following us on social media, you can find me at Paul Nguma and at PATTERNOLOGY LAB on Instagram and on Twitter. You can also find me on Facebook at Paul Nguma. That's my Facebook page. Also, if you are new to trading and new to investing and you would like to get started, I left some step-by-step directions in the description of the video below. Step 1 to step 3. It only takes about 15 minutes or less for you to get signed up with all the tools you need to start trading immediately. You can also get 2 free stocks after signing up with Webull. Use my very first link in the description below. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Paul Nguma with Patternology Lab, where we trade patterns and patterns only. And I will see all of you in the next video. Be careful out there, and most importantly, have fun. Enjoy the outro.